Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tomato rasam. First, gather your fresh ingredients, focusing on ripe, juicy tomatoes. Next, we'll walk through the simple cooking process, ensuring you achieve that perfect balance of tangy and spicy flavors. This comforting South Indian soup is wonderful for any meal, offering a burst of warmth and traditional taste. Let's get started on this aromatic journey. For our tomato rasam, you'll need about 3 to 4 ripe tomatoes, finely chopped. We'll also use 1/4 cup of cooked tur dal, which adds body. Don't forget the aromatic tempering ingredients like mustard seeds, curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. A small amount of tamarind pulp and a touch of jaggery will balance the flavors beautifully, creating that signature tangy-sweet profile. Begin by cooking your chopped tomatoes until they are soft and easily mashable. Next, add the tamarind extract, your chosen spices, and the cooked tur dal to the tomato mixture. Allow this to simmer gently for about 8 to 10 minutes, letting all the wonderful flavors meld together. Finally, prepare a fragrant tempering with mustard seeds and curry leaves, then pour it into the simmering rasam for a delightful finish. Tomato rasam is best enjoyed hot, traditionally served with steamed rice for a comforting meal. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves right before serving to enhance its aromatic appeal. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to suit your taste, adding more chili if you prefer a bolder kick. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, making it a convenient dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.